Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why did your contacts disappear from your iPhone. Okay, so if your contacts have disappeared from your iPhone, then there may be several reasons for that, and you need to understand that contacts that are displayed here in your phone app, or if you're using the contacts app in the phone app, they are just here. These contacts aren't really like all stored on your device. Some of them may be stored on your iPhone, but some of them will be online, like stored on online accounts such as iCloud, Gmail, Microsoft, Yahoo, etc. And when some of your contacts disappear, it is caused by either having toggled off the use of contacts from a given account, or that the entire account is unavailable on the iPhone. So if you're using multiple accounts on your iPhone, like for example for your mail app, you're using some accounts that are from Microsoft, for example the Outlook account or a Google account, and they also store contacts, you just need to first of all make sure to re-log in if needed and re-enable contacts if needed. So go to the settings, and then in settings you should actually go to apps. Now you can technically go to contacts and go to contacts account, but and just add a contact account here, or you can also go to mail, because sometimes there's a chance that in mail section there will be more than one contact. In my case not, but you may have more than one here. Then click on that account and enable contacts. I'm actually gonna go back to contacts app so I can go to contacts account and add account. I will add a Google account, and then I'll show you how to enable transferring contacts from that account onto your iPhone. So yeah, I'm gonna open browser for Google to sign in. Now there is a question about email or phone, so I'll just enter it. Let's enter, click on next, and that should be done for all the accounts that you have any contacts on. Sometimes these accounts will show up on the list as already logged in, but will display a button to re-enter the password. That happens if the password has been changed, or sometimes, especially on Outlook accounts, it just happens periodically and for no reason at all. So I'm gonna enter the password. Yeah, so as I said, it can happen for no reason at all that it signs out. You just need to go to the list and click on re-enter password after clicking on that account. There will be that red button about it. Now it asks me after logging in, what do I want to sync? So contacts need to be selected. Click on next, and now it is added. Afterwards, you can still resync it if it's been disabled by accident or disabled for whatever other reason. You can go to that account and make sure that the contacts are here. Now, the last thing here may be SIM contacts. If you have any contacts save on the SIM card, then if you remove that SIM card, those contacts will disappear. And to fix it, you will need to go to the contacts app, I believe. I'm just gonna get my SIM card because I don't have a SIM card in right now. Okay, I have put my SIM card into the phone. You can see now I have some signal, which means I have a SIM card in. And if you have any contacts stored on the SIM card itself, if you scroll down, you'll find Import SIM Contacts. Once you click on it, select your account to import SIM contacts to. So I'm gonna import it to my iCloud account. Now it is imported. So if I go to the phone app, I should have those accounts, have those contacts. If none of the things that I've shown you helped, then there's a chance that you either need to simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes as little as this will help. You can just press and hold on power and either of the volume buttons, and then slide to power off. Now let's wait for 30 seconds until the phone gets fully off, because even if the screen is off, it's still not yet off. Now, if this won't help the restart, you may need to fully sign out of all the accounts, besides your iCloud, technically. Or if that doesn't help, then you may need to sign out of the iCloud account. I'll show you how to do it. And then re-sign in. Because it hadn't happened to me on iPhone, but it has happened to me on Android sometimes that like my Google accounts went missing, and I needed to like just sign out fully and re-sign in. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. Now I'm gonna unlock the iPhone. Also, there is an update. You may need to update your iPhone by going to General in Settings. I'm gonna enter my SIM pin. Go to General, then go to the software update, and now start checking for updates. If there is any update available, try installing it, and it'll help you with fixing some issues. Now, as I said, let's sign out of some accounts. So you can do it either in the apps and like in contacts, for example, by clicking on contacts account. And now I'm gonna select Gmail. You can click on delete account, then re-add it again. For iCloud, for the main iCloud, like this is gonna be a little different, because you can have like multiple iCloud accounts sign in, but one of them is the main account that's gonna be shown here, and this is the account that can manage your whole phone. So you can go to the name, to your name at the top of the main page of settings, then click on sign out, and then re-sign in to that account, and that may help you for sure. Make sure that in your iCloud, if you go to Apple account, then iCloud, that if you just go to the apps and contacts, and that after re-signing in, all of the accounts that you have here have contacts enabled. And I hope that helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.